Here's how to change who can see your posts on Facebook. So, if you use Android device, tap on three lines at the top right corner of the screen. If you use iPhone iOS devices, tap on three lines at the bottom right corner of the screen. So basically proceed to menu. Next step, you can tap on the gear icon over here. If you not see the gear icon, just scroll down, tap on settings and privacy over here, then proceed to settings. Once you're here, tap on default audience settings. Then tap custom your current settings and tap on next. Then you will see first option who can see your future posts. Your post may show in a few new feeds on your profile, in search result, and in Messenger. So by default selected public. You can select friends. Your friends on Facebook can see your posts. Friends accept don't show to some friends. You can tap on it and select accept friends that you don't want to show them your posts. Tap on done to save it. You can select special friends. It means only this specific person will see your post. And of course you can hide from everyone. Just select only me and save it. Alright, when you tap on save, you should tap on done at the top right corner of the screen and again tap on done.